Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to you can you have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication fluency and the lesson we're going to cover today are multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9 true or false. Multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9 find the missing factor. Multiplication tables up to 10. Multiplication facts up to 10 find the missing factor. So let's just start with the first lesson. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9 true or false. Let's just start with lesson. Is the number sentence true or false? 6 times equal 18. Is it true or false? False it is, right? 6 times 2 is 12, not 18. So the correct option is false. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 6 times 1 equals 9 is false. False it is, right? 6 times 1 is 6, not 9. So false it is. The correct option is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 7 times 4 equals 28. Is it true or false? Yes, true it is. 7 times 4 is 28. The correct option is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 7 times 1 equal 14. 7 times 1 is Not 14, right? So false it is. False it is, right? 7 times 1 is 7, not 14. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 6 times 1 equals 5. Is it true or false? The correct option is false. 6 times 1 is 6, not 5. False it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 times 1 equals 14. Is it true or false? False it is, right? 9 times 1 is 9, not 14. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 7 times 1 equals 9. Is it true or false? False it is, right? Because 7 times 1 is 7, not 9. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 4 is 27. False it is, right? 8 times 4 is 32, not 27. So false it is. 9 times 5 is 50. Is it true or false? False it is, right? 9 times 5 is 45, not 50. So false it is. 9 times 2 is 18. Is it true or false? Yes, false it is. 9 True it is. 9 times 2 is 18. Yes, the correct option is true. Sorry. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 2 equals 13. False it is, right? 8 times 2 is 16, not 13. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 times 4 is 32. True or false? The correct option is yes, true it is. 8 times 4 is 32. So true it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 times 4 is 36. So the correct option is the correct option is true, right? 9 times 4 is 36. So true it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. Find the missing factor. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, find the missing number. 2 times what number equals 18? So which is the correct option? You can count a table of 2 until 18. So 2 times what number is 18? Very good, 9 it is. That means you have 9 groups, and in each group you have two numbers, right? 9 times 2 and the total is 18. So the total are 18. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. 3 groups of dash equals 28. 28. Basically, you have to find 3 times what number is 24. So which is the correct option? You have to find 3 times what number is 24. Count a table of 3 until you have the answer 24. Yes, very good. The correct option is 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is not 24. 3 times 8 is 24. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 4 equal 28? So you have to find what's wrong with the pen. Hold on. So you have to find what number times 4 is 28. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 7 times 4 is 28. The correct option is 7. Hello. 7 times 4 is 28. Fill in the missing number. 4 groups of dash equals 36. So which is the correct option? 4 times what number is 36? No, I think he cannot hear me. He is asking, can you hear me? That's 4 times 9 is 36. The correct option is 9. Let him know you can hear me. Okay. Fill in the missing number. 7 groups of dash equals 28. Which is the correct option? 7 times 4 is 12. The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. How many 5 equals 40? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, 7 times 5 times what number is 47? 5 times 7 is 40. How? 5 times 8 is 40. The correct option is 8. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 2 equals 18? Which is the correct option? Fill which is the correct option? Yes, 9 it is. 2 times 9 is 18. So the correct option is 9. Fill in the missing number. 8 groups of dash equal 32. Which is the correct option? 8 times what number is 32? Very good. That is 8 times 4 is 32. So that means 8 groups of 4 equals 32. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 4 equal 32? Which is the correct option? Yes, 8 groups of 4 equals 32. The correct option is 8. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 6 equal 18? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 groups of 6 is 18. Very good. 3 groups of 6 is 18. The correct option is 3. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 5 equal 35? Which is the correct option? Yes, 7 groups of 5 is 35. That means 7 times 5 is 35. Four groups equals 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. 4 groups of dash equals 24. So which is the correct option? That is 4 groups of 7 equals 24. So the correct option is 7. The correct option is 7. Sorry, 4 times 6 is 24. 6 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication tables up to 10. Okay, 3 times 2 equals 6. It is 3 times 2 is 6. Let's just start with the test questions. 0 times 5 equals 0 times 5 is 0. When you multiply any number with 0, the answer is always a 0. How 5? 0 it is. 0 times any number is 0. 8 times 4 is yes, that is 10 times 9 is 90. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 10 times 10 is okay, but I think you can hear me. Can you see my screen now? Ten times 10 is 100. The correct option is 100. 3 times 1 is the correct option is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. You can just refresh the page. I think everyone can see my screen now. 9 times 7 is nine times 7 is the correct option is 63. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. 4 times 3 is yes, 12. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 6 times 1 is 6. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 10 times 7 is 70. It is option number 2 is the correct option. 2 times 1 is 2. The correct option is 2. Very good. 0 times 4 is 0. It is 0 times 4 is 0. Three times 2 is 6. It is the correct option is 6. 7 times 9 is 63. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is multiplication facts up to 10. Find the missing factor. Let's just start with the test questions. Missing number. How many groups of 5 equal 25? Which is the correct option? Five groups of 5 equals 25. The correct option is 5 because 5 times 5 makes 25. So the correct option is 5. Fill in the missing number. 10 groups of dash equal 30. Which is the correct option? Yes, 10 times 3 is 30. That means 10 groups of 3 equals 30. The correct option is 3. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 3 equals 6? Which is the correct option? That is 3 times 2 equals 6. So the correct option is 2. 4 groups of dash equals 16. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 times 4 is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 3 equals 9? Which is the correct option? Three times 3 equals 9. The correct option is 3. How many groups of 5 equal 10? Which is the correct option? Yes, 2 groups of 5 equals 10. The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. How many groups of 3 equal 15? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5 groups of 3 equals 15. So the correct option is 5. Fill in the missing number. How many groups of 3 equal 12? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4 groups of 3 equals 12. The correct option is 4. Fill in the missing number. 2 groups of dash equals 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2 groups of 3 is 6. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is multiplication fluency. The lessons we have covered today are multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9, true or false. Multiplication facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9, find the missing factor. Multiplication tables up to 10. Multiplication facts up to 10, find the missing number. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.